In the annals of time, among the saints who illuminate her path with celestial grace, there stands a woman of remarkable virtue and enduring faith, Saint Anne, the Gracious One. Born to the exemplary couple Stolin and Embriciana, her life unfolded like a divine symphony, each note resonating with love and reverence for God. From her earliest days, Saint Anne embodied the purest of virtues, a heart a symphony of divine devotion and steadfastness. Her name, Saint Anne, whispered of grace, a reflection of a soul's gentle purity. Raised with exquisite care, she grew in wisdom and holiness. Her life a testament of faith and fortitude. Destined by the Lord, she joined in holy matrimony with St. Joachim, a union ordained to fulfill a sacred purpose. For 20 long years, they endured the silent sorrow of childlessness, bearing a weight of societal scorn with unwavering patience and profound prayer. Their sterility, a silent testament to their faith, was met with divine intervention when an angel heralded the blessings of a miraculous birth of a little baby girl called Mary. Saint Anne, a model of interior life, radiated simplicity and profound charity, a sanctity woven into a fabric of our being, made her a paragon for the elders, a teacher, a spiritual guide. Humility and patience adorned her life, her enduring faith a beacon of hope and light to the world. As we gather to honor her, we seek to emulate her ceaseless prayer and dedicated service. In her, we find an embodiment of peace, hope, and joy. Her unwavering fidelity to God and a boundless humility have become a guiding stars for generations. We, her daughters, are privileged to walk in her light, inspired by her eternal grace. Today, as we kneel before her, we pray that her legacy of faith and virtue may shine within us, as brilliant as a diamond in the sky. May our homage to her be a reflection of her grace, and may her unceasing faith continue to illuminate our path, guiding us with her everlasting light. Here are our teachers to express their tribute to our Blessed Mother through a dance performance.
சந்திரனைப் போல்